Welcome to the All That in Denson YouTube channel. My name is Randall Denson, and today I'm going to share with you 3 ways to sketch a nose. Before we get started, if you appreciate this video and you actually take something from it, why don't you hit that like button for me, please? My social media platforms are all laid out for you. But let's just get started. And for your first nose, let's start with some arcs going downward, or parentheses, whatever shape you want to call it. And then another one right in the middle. Now I'm going to draw this circle for the base part of the nose. And then my other nostrils right here, my left and right, I'm just going to connect them to the middle, or maybe about a third of that big circle. Just going to harden these lines up a little bit and connect this to the bridge of the nose very lightly. Just want to shade it. In this video we're going to blend a little bit to give it a more realistic look. Just a little bit of shading. Erase the lines you don't need, more in the middle of the nose. And right now we're just going to blend it together. Just going to darken these outside lines, give the nose a little bit more definition. Now we're just going to shade a little bit more and then blend it in. And that completes the first way to draw a nose. And now we'll move on to the second way you can draw a nose, starting with a triangle, small triangle upside down, and a small circle or oval on top of it. Then you want to shade in that small triangle and blend it in, and then also blend that oval too. And then draw those parentheses for the nostrils right underneath on both sides of the triangle. And now you're going to make an inverted parentheses for the outside of the nostrils. So the first one's for the inside, and the second pair are the outside. Then I'm going to connect those bottom two, and then make a nice little rounded nose. I'm going to shade leading up for the bridge of the nose. I'm going to blend it one more time. And there is nose number 2. Now let's move to our final nose. It's the side view perspective of a nose. I'm going to start with a medium circle and then a smaller circle for the nostrils. Now I'm just going to make the bridge of the nose small little arc going up. And for right under the nose, one more little one, maybe about the size of that smaller circle. And you're going to draw an upside down Nike sign for the nostril, leading from the middle of the nose. I'm going to darken the outside of the nostril, and then darken this bridge and connect it to the tip of the nose. Now you can erase the lines that you don't need, so I'm going to erase these here in the middle. And then I'm going to shade a little bit. So I'm going to shade underneath, inside the nostril. Shade the bridge of the nose inside that little gap that we have. And also behind the nostril, more towards the bottom. And then blend it all in. You can add your finishing touches. If you need to shade a little more, feel free to. And then darken these lines just to make it pop a little more. And that completes nose number 3. Now I'm going to show you a little bonus tip on that first nose we drew. Now we're creating the philtrum. So it's that little gap above your lip. And then we're also going to shade both the right and the left side. One side will be a little bit darker, one will be lighter. So on this one, our right side will be a little bit lighter and our left side will be darker. Now you're just going to shade underneath the nostrils. Blend it in. And we're going to draw just the top of that lip. We are going to save the lip tutorial for the next one. Add the finishing touches. 3 noses with a little bonus. There you go. 3 different ways that you can sketch your nose. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please tap the like button, share it with a friend, subscribe to this channel, and also hit that bell for notifications for future videos just like this. I'll see you next time. Thank you.